Did you know that the Earth is a lot scarier than we think? Buckle up, because we're diving into some spine-chilling facts that might just make you rethink your next walk in the park. First up, let's talk about the ocean. The deepest part of the ocean, known as the Mariana Trench, is about 36,000 feet deep. That's deeper than Mount Everest is tall. And guess what? We've only explored about 20% of it. Who knows what kinds of monstrous creatures lurk down there, hidden from our sight? Some scientists believe there could be giant squids or even unknown species waiting to be discovered. Now, let's shift our focus to volcanoes. There are about 1,500 active volcanoes worldwide, and around 500 of those have erupted in the last century. But here's where it gets really scary: supervolcanoes. There are a few supervolcanoes on Earth, one of which is Yellowstone National Park. If that baby erupts, it could cover the entire United States in ash and send global temperatures plummeting for years. Now let's talk about the Earth's magnetic field. It protects us from harmful solar radiation. But guess what? It's changing. The magnetic poles are shifting, and some scientists believe they could flip completely. This could lead to increased radiation levels and major disruptions in technology. Let's not forget about our atmosphere. Did you know that Earth's atmosphere is slowly leaking into space? Every year, we lose about 90 tons of atmosphere. And if that trend continues, we could eventually be left with a much thinner atmosphere, making it harder for us to breathe. Now let's talk about asteroids. They're zipping around in space, and while most of them are harmless, there are thousands of near-Earth objects that could potentially collide with us. One of the most famous asteroid impacts was the one that wiped out the dinosaurs. And they say it only takes one big hit to change life on Earth as we know it. Scientists are constantly tracking asteroids, but there's no guarantee they'll catch every single one. And here's a chilling thought: the planet has gone through mass extinctions before. 5, to be exact. The last one, around 66 million years ago, resulted in the extinction of about 75% of all species, including the dinosaurs. Now let's talk about earthquakes. The Earth's crust is like a giant jigsaw puzzle, and sometimes those pieces shift. Every year, thousands of earthquakes rattle the planet. The most powerful earthquake ever recorded was a staggering 9.5 magnitude in Chile. And the scariest part? Scientists predict that we could see even more powerful quakes in the future as tectonic plates continue to move. Lastly, let's consider the future of our planet. Climate change is real, and its effects are already being felt. Rising sea levels, extreme weather events, and shifting ecosystems are just the tip of the iceberg. If we don't take action, we could be looking at a very different world, one that's hotter, more chaotic, and less hospitable. So next time you step outside, take a moment to appreciate the beauty of our planet. But remember, it's also a place filled with secrets, dangers, and mysteries that can be truly terrifying. Earth is incredible, but it's also a little bit scary. Like, follow, comment, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.